Hello students, again I invite you all to this sonorous program, namely Sanjog. Let us revisit the chapter A Letter to God that we have already discussed. So far you know, Lencho had written a letter to God, and actually finding no address, the postmaster wanted to go through the letter and found that Lencho was a farmer, his crops had been destroyed, and he wanted some monetary help to compensate his loss. That is why he had written that letter to God. So when the postmaster knew all about this, he wanted to answer it, but simply answering that letter was not sufficient. He had to arrange some money. So he contributed some money from his salary. He asked some of his friends to give some money, and in that way he collected 70 pesos and wanted to send it to Lencho. So in your chapter you will read the text from the following Sunday to Lencho. Today we have to discuss that paragraphs. So on the next Sunday, when Lencho went to the post office to see whether any letter was there in his name, the postmaster was waiting for the chance. He handed over that letter to Lencho, and without showing any surprise, Lencho went through the letter and suddenly got angry. And he counted the money. Perhaps the money was not up to his demand. So he got angry and went to the public writing table. He asked for a pen and paper and started writing another letter to God. And he wrote the letter that only 70 pesos reached to him, and God should make arrangement for sending the rest 30 pesos. But he also requested another thing to God, that he must not send the money through the mail, for the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. So this much today, and you know, by going through the letter, Lencho got angry. As he counted, he did not find that 100 rupees, 100 pesos that he had demanded. So he wrote a second letter to God, and specifically he mentioned that God must not make the mistake of sending the money through the mail, for Lencho had no confidence on the post office employees, but he has profound faith in God. God must not have made such type of mistakes by sending less amount of money. Such was his confidence. So you must have enjoyed this chapter, and today, before saying goodbye, I am going to give you some comprehension questions. So only 5 questions are there. You have to answer them in your home, and another activity is also there that is attached here with. In that activity, I have given you some words. You have to supply the opposite of the words. Rest in the next meeting. Today, thank you for joining with me. Goodbye.